Hello, my name is Elena, and today's video will talk about autofocus. You could ask, what's wrong with it if it's auto, but I will show you my tips and tricks. Focus point. First, let's choose the correct focus point. I use the smallest point because I could choose where I could focus on. So the main mistake with autofocus is when we're trying to focus in the center always. Instead, we should focus on a subject and then move the camera to catch the frame. Yeah, on macro photography you could lose the sharpest point, but I don't care because nobody see it. I prefer a more interesting image instead of sharpness. That's why I don't like photos on iPhone, because they are so sharp, like digitally sharp, and I prefer more soft images and with nice composition. About contrast. When we focus on a light object, the scene becomes darker, because the camera is trying to create balanced picture, and the opposite way. When we focus on the dark zone, the scene becomes more light. So when I have, for example, dark scene, I could even move down my exposition, because if I have a flower, for example on a picture with a dark background, I always try to focus on the brightest part and then move the camera to change and to capture my composition. That's why I use spot focus to choose the right place. Also a small tip: if it's hard for your camera to find the focus in low light, try to find the contrast zone and to catch that object. And about lighting optimizer. If you have it in your camera, try to use it in low mode or not to use it at all, because it will always change your exposition no matter what you focus on, so sometimes it could be confusing. So as a result, first, use the smallest point focus that you have in your camera settings. The second, focus on the subject first by half pressing your button and then change the composition. And try to focus on different parts of the object to correct the light to avoid editing at all. And about how to shoot without editing, I have a video on my channel, so there you could find my basic camera settings and more settings tips from me. And I hope today's video, small video, will help you to keep your photos not overexposure, and you will use a smallest point focus now always. So yeah, ask me any questions that you have, subscribe, and see you soon.